Hey man, quick question. And it's about firewood? Yeah, how much is a cord? That depends. Are you asking legally, economically, or emotionally? Dollars? Ah, the weakest unit of measurement. I just want to know how much a cord costs. Okay, first, what do you think a cord is? A pile? Wrong. A truckload? Still wrong. Like a stack of logs? Congratulations! You described literally every quantity of firewood sold ever. I saw a guy online selling a cord for $100. Ah, yes. Facebook Marketplace, where the prices are fake and the measurements are made up. So that wasn't a cord? It was emotionally a cord. A real cord is 4 feet high, 4 feet deep, 8 feet long. Whoa, that's huge! That's what every first-time firewood buyer says. So all those cords I see stacked by the road are actually interpretations of a cord. Wait, is that legal? Only if they don't say cord. If they say pile, truckload, or face cord, the law looks the other way. What's a face cord? A cord, but only from the front, like a dating profile. So how much should a real cord cost? That depends on species, how dry, how split, how far it traveled, and how much the seller likes you. Just give me a number. Okay, somewhere between reasonable and I should have bought a chainsaw instead. That's not helpful. Neither is asking how much is the cord without a tape measure. Let's pretend I'm selling firewood. Okay. Seasoned hardwood, full cord, $120. U-Haul. How seasoned? I salted it. And how much wood? Enough. Enough for what? A fire. Sir, that's a stick. So cord is about volume, not number of logs? Correct. The fire burns on volumes, not vibes. But some logs are so big. And some are liars. So 128 cubic feet is the law? Yes, written in the ancient scrolls of the forestry department. So if I stack my logs all crooked, you are committing firewood heresy. So why does it cost more in some places? Trees grow differently, labor costs differently, and winter panic spreads differently in different zip codes. So in the city it costs more? Because the trees don't live there anymore. So how much do you pay? Nothing. Nothing? I paid with gas, time, sweat, a dull chain, and my lower back. So it's free? Financially, yes. But spiritually, I'm in debt. So what should people ask instead of, how much is a cord? They should ask, how big is the stack? What species? How dry it is? How long it's been seasoning? Can I measure it? And why is it so cheap? You bring a tape measure? I bring generational trauma from buying short cords. What about a half a cord? 64 cubic feet. And quarter cord? 32 cubic feet. Face cord. Depends how thick the face is. Rick? That's just cord cosplay. So how much is a cord of firewood? In math, 128 cubic feet. In money? Whatever someone can convince you a pile of sticks is worth. In life? More than summer, less than freezing. So the answer is... it depends. I hate this hobby. You already own gloves, it's too late. So can I buy a half of a cord from you? Sure. How much? Free. Really? You just have to stack it. Never mind. That's the true price of firewood.